Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the boot mode. And to get started, we will need to hold power key, and from here select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down. So let's do it right now. And there we go. So we are now in fast boot, or in the boot mode. And in here you will use volume keys to navigate, and you can access bootloader logs, barcodes, start, which will just go back to Android, restart bootloader, which just goes back to where we are right now, and then we also have recovery mode and power off option, and it cycles through again. Now whatever you select using volume keys, you will need to then confirm with power key. So if I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select start, power key to confirm that, and this will initiate the reboot. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.